Here we are on the National Pajara 4x4 Club of Australia, Gem and Fossicking Weekend. A few of us found a few sapphires, topaz, a few flecks of gold. It's Shane's bus. It's Paddy.
Hello. Because we haven't got a bed for you. So you can go home, you've got to come back. He said, now what was the bloody point in that?
There's Lee and Craig.
He said, I wouldn't have cared. He said, if they'd have given me a bed out
Charlie.
in cases. He said, I could have stayed there. He said, that wouldn't have bothered me.
Been helping us a lot with our fossicking and stuff.
So therefore they've got to do the same thing twice.
Yep. Shane.
There's a bed there. There's just not stuff to run the bed.
I always staff running around there, scratching them. I won't say what I think.
Well, my brother was here.
And you were going to say, describe that one?
Big fun.
You was going to say.
I took him upstairs and there was
Here's Terry.
nobody here.
That's a dog kennel. It's for Bundy. And this is Lee and Craig's setup. It'll be a cruiser. Sean's on.
Sounds like it's live. That music. Hello.
Hello.
We're not being snobs. It was just easier to cook it and sit down and eat it. Scottsdale pork sausages, corn and coleslaw. Go away.
You should know move the video camera.
Oh, I don't know. We didn't, but we do now.
Did on the girl run, I got you.
Yeah, saw that. Oh, yes. Yeah, saw that up on YouTube.
Yep, did see that.
It was good.
No, we don't slum it by any means.
Did you take any pictures of your gems?
Not as yet.
Did you get more?
Yeah,
Got a good little hole there. You're still in the same hole?
still in the same hole. This is the chap's residence. He's basically been here for about 3 or 4 months now. And the son also. I go out fossicking and find little bits and pieces.